Hello, widget watchers. Are you tired of creating the same old pull to refresh indicators in Flutter? If your answer is yes, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to take things up a notch by creating a liquid-style pull to refresh indicator. It's fun, it's dynamic, and it's sure to impress. So, stay tuned. Let's dive straight into it. So here I have a basic Flutter app which have nothing apart from this background color. So first things first, we need to add the necessary dependencies for liquid swipe. So for this, open your pubspec.yaml file and add the following line under dependencies, then tap on this pub get option to get the dependencies. Now come into the build method and here first add the body to this scaffold, then here add list view. So list view helps in to create the list of scrollable items. If you are new to list view, then I'll suggest you to watch this video, then here add the children, then add a container, which will have height of 200 and all the available width, then add padding to this container, then add the decoration. And for decoration add border radius to 10 and then the color to deep purple. Now let's save the code, and here we have done a mistake, so change this padding to margin and now save the code, and now everything is fine. Now here above this container add a for loop of length 5, then correct the indentation, and now save the code, and now we have a scrollable list of containers. Now let's add the liquid pull to refresh widget, so wrap this list view with liquid pull to refresh widget, so this widget have one required parameter, so please add the on refresh parameter, and from here call the handle refresh method, then come above here and let's create this method, so this is tutorial video so I'm just going to create a future delayed method. So create a future void method, and mark this as async, then return await future delayed of 2 seconds, then save the code, and our refresh indicator is working, but right now it's looking more ugly than the default one, so let's customize it. So first add the color parameter, and set it to deep purple, then save the code, and pull this and now it's looking better, then add the height parameter, and set it to 300. Then save the code, and yay, it started making sense. Then add the background color same as scaffold's background color, because this background color is for this small circle. And now it's good, then add the anim speed factor, and set it to 3, so this anim factor is for the speed of the animation. Then if you don't want to show the list element when the list is refreshing, then set this show child opacity transition to true, then save the code, and now pull this, and now the child elements is not visible, and if you want to show the child elements, then set this to false. Then save the code, and now pull this, and now the child elements is visible. So this was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and learned something new. If you did then please hit the like button and share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.